Computex 2026 in Taiwan, Taipei. My name is Mohammed Khan and I'm Director of Connectivity at MaxLinear, and I'm having the honor and privilege of having with me Carl Wilson. He's the Senior Director of Product and Technology of Connectivity Division, and he's my boss too. So thank you so much, Carl, for your time today here. I know we have been displaying a lot of PHYs and switches here. Can we just walk through the things that we are displaying here?
Sure. So in this case, we are showcasing both standalone PHYs and also switch SoCs that are complete SoCs with integrated PHYs installed. So on the right, on this side here, we have a 1 gigabit single port and 1 gigabit multi-port PHY, as well as single port 2.5 gig and multi-port 2.5 gig, including the industry's only octal 2.5G based T-PHY, which is now available from MaxLinear. Right here we have a combination of 2.5 gig and a 5-port 2.5 gig and octal 2.5 gig switch SoCs, which include the integrated PHYs into the controller.
Absolutely, beautifully placed, and I see a lot of traction. What's your take on the show so far?
The show's been very, very good. A lot of customers have been coming up to us and talking about adding 2.5 gig into actually existing devices or as creating standalone switch appliances. One of the beautiful things about this technology is with a PHY it attaches to any 2.5 gig port. And on the switch side, it can be used as a standalone switch. So you can create a 5-port or 8-port switch with up to 10 gig uplinks, both as a standalone unmanaged switch or a web smart switch. Or you can actually add switching capability to existing appliances like Wi-Fi gateways, residential passive optical networking for apartment and businesses. So a tremendous application for this technology in a lot of different places.
Absolutely, I mean, this is great. I see a lot of people asking multiple questions. And if I understand you correctly, what you're trying to say is that in the present infrastructure, there is no need of changing any cables. There is, exactly the same infrastructure you can upgrade from 1 gig to 2.5 gig, which, helps people in whether it is gaming, whether it is any high applications which the customers wants to use, they can just do it without changing the entire infrastructure.
Correct, yes. The beautiful thing about 2.5 gig is you can actually get 2.5 times more speed over their existing wiring. The other important thing is that 2.5 gig Ethernet is 2.5 times faster than 1 gig from a latency as well, because you are transmitting it. So we have a lot of applications. In fact, I even have these in my house because I wanted to upgrade my home theater. So, but we're seeing these broadly deployed, mostly because from an economy of scale, it's significantly cheaper to upgrade the 2.5 gig than it is 10 gig, which we do have plans for.
Yes, and we do carry, whether it is PHYs or switches, we carry the industrial ones and also the commercial ones. Yeah. And then there is a web smart portion of it too.
That's correct. So we provide products for multiple operating environments, whether it's for a home or whether it's in a tower or in an external wireless access point. So we like to be able to provide products for a broad market, IoT, embedded, industrial, and consumer.
Absolutely. So as you can see, MaxLinear is a silicon company that keeps the world connected. And with that, thank you so much, Carl, for being here and showcasing wonderful products. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
We can take 5G, 10G from here.